Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Luma AI and Google Veo 3. Want to see what they're all about and how they compare. Now, Luma AI and Google Veo 3 represent the cutting edge of generative video, but they serve totally different production philosophies. You see, Luma AI focuses on cinematic quality and 3D physical realism, whereas Google Veo 3 prioritizes multimodal integration, specifically native audio and dialogue generation. Let's go into them properly. When we look at their features, when it comes to output quality, Luma AI gives you 4K HDR and 16-bit EXR, that is industry first, while Google Veo gives you 1080p HD with high realism focus. When it comes to their audio capabilities, Luma AI gives you limited audio capabilities. It typically requires you having external tools, while Google Veo 3 gives you native audio with synced dialogue, sound effects, and music. When we look at their scene logic, Luma AI gives you a reasoning model that thinks before creating to fix physics, while Google Veo 3 gives you narrative control that is superior at multi-shot consistency. When we look at their speed, Luma AI gives you a draft mode where it uses 20-second previews and gives you 2 to 5 minutes for final, while Google Veo 3 has what they call Veo Fast, which means it is optimized for rapid iteration. When we look at the editing control, Luma AI has visual annotations and precise keyframe transitions, while Google Veo 3 has what they call insert remove objects and frames to video AI. When we look at their maximum duration, Luma AI is typically between 5 to 10 seconds clips, while Google Veo is up to 8 to 60 seconds narrative clips. When we look at the availability, Luma AI is available for web, iOS devices, and Adobe Firefly integration, while Google Veo is available for Gemini app, Vertex AI, and Google TV. So it's as simple as that. When you look at their key strengths, Luma AI is optimized for studio work, and it has a reasoning engine that helps you reduce common AI glitches by simulating physical laws before rendering. But Google Veo's strength lies in native audio. It has perfect lip sync and environmental sound directly from a single text prompt, and also features advanced post-generation editing that allows users to insert a specific coffee cup on a table or remove a distracting background sign, while the AI handles shadows and reflections automatically. When it comes to their price and access, Luma AI is accessible via Luma Labs. It maintains a tiered subscription model and is also available via Adobe Creative Cloud credits. But Google Veo 3 is integrated into the Google AI Pro and Ultra plans. It's also available for developers through the Gemini API and for creative consumers in Google's Flow tool. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you're wondering which you should choose, it's not better to just use both. Hope you found this video helpful.